Did you know the spray from a skunk can be neutralized with products most likely found in your home? The issue with skunks is that they are typically nocturnal, so our encounters with them are usually late at night when stores are closed. You don't have access to professional products to help eliminate the skunk odor to your pet or property. We're gonna go over some ingredients we can mix together at home to help neutralize the odor of that lingering smell. Now, the science behind a skunk spray is that it's actually made up of thiols and thiolacetates. So this is like an oily substance that the skunk will secrete up to 6 feet. And now most people might think rubbing tomato juice or water on the product will help eliminate the issue. It's actually just spreading that substance around. This product we're gonna show you, this mixture, this recipe, will help break down that oily substance. We're not just smearing and spreading it around to help truly neutralize the odor. Now, just to recap, it's late at night. There's no access to a store for a professional product. Here's what you might have at home to help eliminate, deneutralize that odorous smell. First ingredient is hydrogen peroxide. Second ingredient would be dish soap, preferably non-scented. Third ingredient we might find in the pantry is baking soda. Follow me as we combine these ingredients to make our homemade skunk-off spray. Now, you're gonna wanna wear gloves and safety glasses just for safety. Our first ingredient is 3% hydrogen peroxide. You're gonna need about 2 cups, which is equivalent to this whole bottle. Our next ingredient will be dish soap. Now, it's preferred to be non-scented, but we do have scented soap and it still works just the same. We're gonna use about a teaspoon. Finally, we're gonna add 2 tablespoons of baking soda to the mixture. Now that we have all of our ingredients together, we're gonna mix it up. Make sure it's all mixed together properly for even distribution. So now that we have our product in our spray applicator, some safety tips and precaution. Although we're using this in an emergency situation, you don't want to apply this to any dark fabrics as it could stain the fabric itself. If you're applying it to a pet, you want to avoid sensitive areas such as the ears, nose, and eyes. This product also can't be stored. It's direct use, rinse and repeat. Now, in this video, we described how to make a homemade skunk-off recipe. We've gone over that we had no access to any professional products because it's late at night, the ingredients associated to the recipe and mixture itself, how to apply it, and safety tips for application. If you like this video and you want access to the recipe, check the description below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more wildlife videos, solutions, and preventative tips. If you have a question or a comment or a story you'd like to share in regards to wildlife, do so below. Don't forget to follow us on social media, and everything we've discussed here is in the timestamps below the description.